Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing good. Today in this video we will show you some beautiful silver pile designs. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video and wish to watch all our latest videos, click the bell icon and choose all notification. We collected these beautiful designs from various sources and present to you. We do not have any personal shop and we are not affiliating any store. All the information provided in this video is for educational purpose only. Kindly like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This video is not a sponsored video. Latest designs by Ruhi is not responsible for any buying or selling product shown in this video. This video is not a sponsored video. This is only for education purpose. Latest designs by Ruhi is not responsible for buying or selling any item shown in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting and loving.